Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to episode Life Made Easy, and today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how you guys can use a Bluetooth headset on your Xbox One. Let's hop right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh god, oh my god.
Hey guys, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also check out my merch store and my Discord. Let's go. Hey guys, today's shout out has been going to a guy named Spent Off, 25 subscribers, gaming content, Fortnite, and he streams on Mixer. And I upload good content to my subscribers, 291 views. Guys, go support him. Now let's hop into the video. Hey guys, so I'm probably going to come out with a separate tutorial on this in the future, but for this I'm going to be showing you one specific method. This method is going to be involving purchasing separate hardware to use your headset. As many of you know, you need, for the old Xbox controllers at least, you need an adapter to plug in a 3.5mm headphone jack. If you guys can just see here, this is a proprietary port that Xbox uses, so you can't plug in an actual normal headset that has a 3.5mm headset jack. So you have to buy an external adapter. So once you have that, or if you have the new controller, which comes with Xbox One S and Xbox One S, yeah, X and S, those have the built-in one, so you won't need the adapter. So as you may know, Xbox does not feature an actual first-party software update, or they haven't released it in their software yet that allows you to use Bluetooth headsets such as PS4. PS4 actually does. So with this, I'm going to be showing you a quick method around this, and let's hop into Amazon. Okay guys, so we're here on Amazon. So basically the main workaround for this to actually use a Bluetooth headset on your Xbox One is to go on Amazon and purchase, or eBay for that matter, or any online shopping store, whatever you want, and purchase a Bluetooth receiver. If you guys are unaware what Bluetooth receivers do, they basically allow you to connect Bluetooth devices to devices that do not support Bluetooth. So for example, if you're in a car and your car doesn't support Bluetooth, but you do have a aux in for your car, so if you want to play music using an aux cable, but you don't have Bluetooth, you can go buy one of these, and this will allow you to use Bluetooth so people can connect to your car stereo without having to plug in, say if they don't have a headphone jack or something, Apple. So basically you're going to want to go on here. They got a million of them. Honestly, you take your pick. This one looks pretty good right here by Teotronics. Looks pretty small. Honestly, you might want to get one that probably one like this that has a cable, just so it doesn't get in the way of your controller, and because that's honestly one of the biggest issues here. It might affect you actually gripping the controller. You want to find one that's pretty slim. Probably this one is pretty good since it's just has a cable that detaches and probably won't get in your way. You could probably tape it to the back of your controller or something. So basically, plug this in to your controller, and then you should be able to connect your Bluetooth headset to this fairly easily. Just follow the steps that it says in the manual for one of these. From there, you should be able to connect, and audio from your Xbox should be transmitted to your Bluetooth headset using this Bluetooth receiver. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope this works out for you. I know this does work. I researched this a bunch. This works for anything that doesn't have Bluetooth usually. So guys, if you liked this video and this helped you, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, use my Fortnite supporter creator code for that free shoutout that I include in every video. Go check out my previous tutorials on Xbox stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.